Remember your name Akeam Cashier. You work for Akeam. That's why Akeam come collect and leave. You know, well, Tina, you're sad and lonely. Remember your text will lie your show care about. Yeah, you don't have no money. Akeam a suck you dry. You think a weight loss in the pan, Akeam a suck you dry. It's just that you not get the correct suck where you are. Are you everybody alone that celebrate the two parties? A hypocrite. You first them stand up like socialists, but you think just lay down like labor, right? Me don't know how you work out that, my love. And in this a beat you bad and make you spiral out of control, you know. And in this a beat you bad. Maybe you walk and look everything on the app, because you're only the lonely. Remember you walk and look and beg and buy. Remember you send message to Akeam, I can't suck your order. Eh? Imagine me buy your watch and I send you a message and you can call my name to Javi. Akeam supposed to call your name to Javi because he might wonder what kind of joke this is a prank call. Oh, number one, the boy mark you so good. Then who could have wonder lick the pan them day. Come on, Rosealee, put a snack in it. Put a snack in it, man. Yeah, I know she not get no draw over 1 year and you alone still gonna live in a fantasy and you can't pay for reality all now. I pay a green screen relationship, you have the background no real. The background no real, no make you trick or no. The background no real. Then is what kind of food that you cook with the Rosealee? Bolo slush? I say a little food favor vomit. You know for cook for dog, you know. You know how to cook for dog. I say you plaster the food with everything. You know what them little something in there favor brain. And them something for go fix all when them a combo. Rosealee can cook and when she cook the rice. She cook sardine and rice. Big old egg like that them a come and talk about sardine and rice. Not them time here. Anybody no cook can cook sardine and rice? Eh? If you can't warm up the sardine, not throw it in the rice. Anyway the rice come out in and yeah, she have good teeth. She can't crack all things like ice. Hmm? No, but don't lie me I tell you. Me never hear Rosealee pick up for Diamond yet when she in her prime. When Rosealee in her prime, she don't look on nobody. I always tell her this. She don't look on nobody at all. And you come out Diamond, that's why the internet will go rub you in a ear. You in a ear. You have to figure it out where you can class in a Diamond. You have to figure it out where you can class. Make Rosealee go through what she go through. Because when you have go through it with the internet, me not hear Rosealee jump up and say, leave them alone. Leave them alone. Bad to bad as much as me and Anna talk. Leave her alone. We were once friends. We were once cool. Are you alone come and say, we not put money for rent Airbnb? Rosealee never come out and confirm and say true your talk. When she go through her prime. Leave her alone because she buy out Akeam argument with figure it out and she 18 of the process. And remember the two boys them they target Uno. And you go to her and tell her say make we cut because they might use it and she never want to hear because she don't get tired already. Them what wrong with you man, them every time I must talk to you so me I tell them I don't know come here. Are you alone with here go through problem? You alone go through it. And it's just the truth, you know, ear diamond, I don't know how diamond stays so you not get it correct. Leave the argument alone. Leave it alone, make Rosealee go through her demise. And now wicked, you wicked. Sometimes when God punish them diamond, you have to stand aside. Step aside. Step aside. Everybody a walk a talk say a friend here look. The difference with Rosealee, them can't say Rosealee a big friend from you. Because number one, she not look at you. The world could have try and name you. She not look at you and if the world spit you out, she step over you like she didn't see you. You never know. No favorite is just the truth. Yeah, leave them to them karma. Leave them favorite to them karma for true. Leave them alone. Because she's feeling it and she embarrassed and she know what the internet is talking about is true. So publicly she give it. She claimed to say she give it the cologne because maybe a content she be. But me feel definitely say she give it to him. She look on the receipt. She show Akeam fair receipt. She look on every single thing. She hurt. And that's why she sit down so. And she can't hide it. Of course she listen to me. She listen to me, of course. And one thing with the act then, she gonna listen and go. Yeah, and one thing with her, she gonna listen and then come back and try to rephrase what I say and put it in a fair own understanding. Yeah. She listen to me because if you hear all her speech sound exactly like my own. It's an embarrassment. I'm not knowing nothing like on her. The 200,000 you could have spent it for your picnic them, good God Almighty. That's all we are say. Are you a walk on mind man and give boy life when fantasize about behind bars? Royalty where you say, my baby? Are you alone a walk and give man life? It's true. The boy sit down behind bars. When Akeam come around, Akeam tell him to say him sell out every single thing and him use a fake vehicle. Him use a fake vehicle and get you. Cause you never drive in a hot vehicle from your bang. The boy all use it for advertise Scarmat. Me never see them suck me yet. Rosealee little mouse a ton star for vehicle. Little mouse a ton star for Carlat, you know. And Scarmat. It's true. Just liquid more. It's just the truth, my baby. But you not sit down and watch me and Pretty Dan. Pretty Dan that careless to sit down and watch you, Rosealee. You mad? Pretty Dan that careless. Cause ask anybody, me not watch you, you know? Me can't watch you. Number one is a turn off to my sight. It's a turn off to my sight because you know well proportioned. Yeah man. Cause sometimes I see you and sit down and I wonder who leave the matter out the door, make son take it. You look hard up. Yeah. You look hard up. For true. And it's just the truth, my baby. Cause number one, if I me like you before you argue with nobody, remember say you're the only human being where I sit down for your back and you not have no battery. You're the only human being where I sit down for your back. I don't know how you do it, but girl, you're flexible. Yeah, remember say your foot and back, you know. You don't have no bottom. Ask anybody in the world, I say I can't wait for seeing one. I can't wait for seeing one bodysuit. And that a beat my bad. You know want broke the internet, girl. You know want set record, Guinness book, I look for weird things and you know want going like, girl, you don't know your ambition. If I me like you all in the Friday, you put on a bodysuit and step out live and in living color. You don't want to walk red carpet. You don't want to walk red carpet, my love. No, for true, me that look on Rosealee with my eyes wide shut. I saw me that look on you when you come out in a bodysuit with my eyes wide shut. Me not kid, I kid you not. Watch my baby, you have asthma with the pump there. Me not ask you, me don't want you put on no panty. Me don't want nothing for curve and tuck and slip and slide. Me want you come out live and in living color bodysuit we say. You know this pumpkin skirt and pumpkin dress. Come on girl. Bodysuit I do it. Full armor. Yeah, you know the bodysuit with the hoodie. And that me want to wear. I want to wear hoodie clamp on down so. Cover all our ears. We want to say everything. We want to know if anybody can draw this. Any artist out there or architect. I want to know if anybody can copy the blueprint here. It's true. Me not ask you know. Rosealee no want make it to Hollywood, you know. Look at Precious. It's so Precious, big and comfortable. Big and comfortable. She's a beautiful big girl. Let us see you now. We want to know if your beauty lies within or out. Something we want to know about you. We don't want to know much. Me not ask you, Rosealee, trust and believe what you're saying and you talk. Them people you don't know love. No girl with them family, with them mother give away. No girl at all with them mother give away. Can't talk about show love. And you pick them stand up beside you and say, Mommy, you're in the place but it feel like you're not here. Yeah. My child could have never tell me that, not even my dog. When my dog see me, him come and hook up on my foot, so yeah. When I sit down, my dog jump up in my lap and my dog is a mongrel. Flea all a beat him bad. When me get up, me have to do soft ticks and flea off of me. I saw my dog know me love him. Me show my dog more love than you show your kids them. And that's the problem. So you're in no position for argue with me. Tell them, Sister Winnie, one drop love me, so till all when me I go with one drop I hug me up. The last time, to all one drop love me. To all my dog love me, see mudfish in my clothes and jump and tear off my clothes off a mudfish. No, him sex. I saw you don't know your picnic them and look things Shanta come with ear. I saw you don't know your kids them. Because I can't believe say you sit down and you never skin over the dog all now. Then Chukums no beard. Kakafat. Yeah, go Chukums just like you. Chukums no beard. Because you could have never beard the dog and not know him sex. I only alone put the man in a pink. With all pink ribbon. Kakafat. No, it's true. The best life Chukums I live now I see you. The best life. Chukums feel free. No, it's true. And it's not a lie. Little more sugar board Chukums 2 years them. Little more sugar board Chukums 2 years them and put all Chukums in an anklet. Like him is an Egyptian monkey. I only alone that take pride in nothing. Jakes did right, you don't want no farmer responsibility. No, she be go sleep now. Alright, me soon go sleep. Remember the time soon run out. Me soon go sleep. Yeah. And she alone, she don't want no farmer responsibility. You send me the dog and a mine, Akeam. This is strong tolerance. Akeam play a number upon you. You should never go Akeam Obia man. You should never go Akeam Obia man. Appear sea and water in my carrier go. Eh? No, stay awake. No, but it's not like, boy, you know, watch me, you know, watch people who tear you down. Me not tear you down, Rosealee, me I tell you the truth from heaven to earth. All the children in England have seen your lifestyle for nursery rhyme. It's a big joke. Of course, you're blind to Akeam. And Akeam not give you a TLC. If they want to call it tender loving care or something another, but call it something Rosealee. You not get no TLC, you know how nice it is. For your son and your daughter, every time them see them try hug you, because we know so them not go full up still, you know. Them try wrap them arms around you, which you just have to stop at your belly. And one thing with we woman, we not like when man pretend our emotions and it not real. We like when a boy just get up and hug you up and love you out of the blues. We not like a boy hug you and kiss you for money. Ain't ask Tina Turner. And one thing with we woman, we welcome good treatment from man, honest treatment from man. We not welcome show. We not welcome a boy, we are put on a show. Remember you tell Chiquitita, say Akeam put on a show, and you want done with this? Nobody not tear her down. The real person will tear her down at Akeam. Because I him walk and chat with all of your nemesis them, all of them. Oh, remember if me never cuss in a Akeam, would not wash him face in a bathroom and you on video, you know. Remember wash face you get while Slutty get bathing. Hey, move the man. Move the man, Rosealee. Move the man. How was she there? And she mess up here so I want to sweep her away. Move Rose. Because all of them something and foolishness from people FYP. We want freedom. Tomorrow I must say independence or emancipation. How the two holidays go work out with you? Look how you could have celebrate Jamaica holiday. You're not emancipate and you're not independent. Make up your mind. TikTok controversy, wagwan my baby. Make up your mind. Okay, now wagwan girl. Yeah, you're supposed to eat all the week. The holiday you will come here. The 1st and the 6th. Nobody come live. Because people are going to ask you how you feel on these days. How you feel on these days? He's not a Raban Jamaican, you know. I don't know which country so full, but we're going to find it on the map. I could have one island, we're going to find it. You will have to find it on the map. Not even Chinese people ignorant so like you. You're ignorant to life and you walk on cuss and class, Jakes. And the little boy just use you. Remember your name Akeam Cashier. You work for Akeam. That's why Akeam come collect and leave. Yeah. You know, well, you're sad and lonely. Remember your text will lie your show care about. Yeah, you don't have no money. Akeam a suck you dry. You think a weight loss is depend and Akeam a suck you dry. It's just that you not get the correct suck where you want. Yeah, you talk about where enough boy in your my crutches. I saw we know say a lie. Rosealee, come here, I'm tell you something about we as female. Not you, know, because we don't know who you be now. Tell you something about we as female. You see, when we spend our money, man, have to name our crutches. When we spend our money, a boy can't dog out to, you know. Oh, if him dog out 1 time, 2 times, it now reach 3 strike on him out. Let me tell you that. So when you talk about Jake's name your crutches and every single thing, Rosealee, I don't know how you treat man, so he's a mom. He's a mother to the wrong child. Me now ask you, no care what, I forget the body. The boy couldn't starve for 1 year straight and I take from we. We cut all tithes. We stopped at the boy church, we not bother baptize under him. Yeah. Me now ask you, at different time now in our granny time. Now we great granny time. Any mistake we mother make, we not supposed to make the mistake because we broke our generation curse. Make me tell you that. Don't tell me I do better than you. Oh. And that you eat your sister for because she should have a little bit of back and you have whole heap. Remember say you have back for the family. And that you eat lammy for. Me never see you sit down, me never see a thing like this. You sit down at your class, girl, oh girl of mine cocky, I buy cocky, and everything are you. Akeam have a little body so, and I eat your paper for 1 year. That cannot reach you. When you open your foot and Akeam try pushing it, now pass your clit if you have any. It not passing your clit. You talk about enough man you take. And you not take no man, all your man them did homeless. Ask behind a water theater. Ask back market. All of your man them homeless. Remember that's why underneath you smell so? You walk with history order. Oh. Remember pay dirty body you taking. Remember condom never prevalent when you are opening your foot at back market. So them there for wrap you up in the 2 pound and the 1 pound bag and the seasoning bag. Remember to how you could get the money take all batty body back then. How about you? Are you used to traffic dude in your hole, you know? You all walk with history order. So don't do it. Don't do it, Rosealee. Because nobody not tear you down. Because anybody with homeless sex you can't tear down. Remember pay homeless man claim your crutches. So how good you all be my baby? How good you punani be? Where talk? So when you talk about girl sick, go take out your other history out of your hole. You can't use style it and nobody go after you. Let me go first, Rosealee. Let me go first. May I skip you? Then me for so long after you get up, you're mad. Yeah. I want to go before her. I can't go after her. I can't do it to myself. You want me get up, tell it, give me a bump, make chain for my bottom? Yeah? You don't think my body wear snake chain? You mad, Rosealee? You tell me about show your bathroom. When you know say not even want buy plunger because the yard did a war over plunger. So if you not fight over plunger with the toilet brush there. People may have 2 minutes sleep. Can't wait for it done. Yeah. Now come about me. Don't call me name in your stinking mouth. Because I'm me saying you got a dentist. And from the one time I say you know go back, what them scratch your gum? I just ask if them scratch your gum, my baby. Me not disrespect you. No, too cute, too sweet, you mad, eh? Yeah. You may have 1 minute leave. No, me not stay. I'm not staying. Every time I tell you this, I want rank, me not rank. Me not staying. Me want rank. Me want go up on the podium and upset Rosealee. Yeah, more she said, I teach Shebada reach on the podium. Hey, you big batty man. With your blood we thick. Eh? But me tell you, say, me now wear no tattoo because me now have no bump. Me now have no bumper either under needle and ink. And that me want to tell her, I can't wait for she come back with the argument. You leave early yesterday, Kim Reed, so I never have to leave early. Kim Reed, you know, she said, attack claps the day. A girl by now. Kim Reed meet you in your nose, you know. Me not even eat breakfast from morning. Paulette leave me alone. Oh, tomorrow plummy birthday. So me have to go get rest. Yeah. As me reach you, I leave. Oh, she my baby, look how long me there. Jesus, how long me there, not funny. Yeah. Yeah. She too out to other sister Winnie. She too out to other. Me and nobody now share toilet, you know. Cause me have to protect my bottom. Me have to protect my organization. Oh, me have to protect my make my money. Me nobody never share toilet yet. Remember garbage now follow me like it follow you. Remember you alone put things in that amount. Come you see you. Me gonna tell you something boy, I'm gonna disrespect you and block you. Una always I try bribe me when me ready for going. It now go work today. Come me go juke in your dirty eye. Too cute, too sweet, me come on. Don't friend me up because too cute, too sweet. You know, I wouldn't make me can't play a match. I mean, you don't know, send me a world out to go in a match. Not send me no wheel. Come here, come off. Now friend me up. Remember you can't bribe me. The last boy will bribe me, him get everything from me. Me give him everything. More, you're a hypocrite too. You're no man. I don't know if I catch me though. I don't always know how to suit me. I don't know how to catch me. One thing I don't know me licky, you know. I don't know me licky. I want to catch Wanga belly. I don't know me licky for sure. But me I come off leave, you know. Me I come off leave, you know, for sure. Me not care what I want though. The next time me I do live, me go start play all 6 match. I will lie, me I not play best of 6. And if the 6 sweet will go up to 1 dozen.